Hi folks, my name is Barb Whitney and I'm the president of the London and St. Thomas Association of Realtors. The third quarter of 2012 has just wrapped up. So let's take a look at our local real estate market. Heading into 2012, we projected a solid year in real estate, and the first two quarters certainly bore that out, with sales up 3.3% from the previous year. During the third quarter, however, we have seen a cooling off of the market. Why was that? Most likely, the changes to mortgage regulations that came into effect July 9, 2012 have had a dampening effect on the market. With the end of the 30-year amortization period, fewer buyers can qualify for a mortgage, and this will have downstream effects over the whole rest of the market. For example, we expect that given a reduced group of buyers, move-up buyers will probably have to wait longer to sell their current home. However, we need a few more months of data to gauge the broader impact of these changes. In the meantime, we're looking at lower home sales, and we're not alone. From July to August, the latest national data available at this moment, declines were reported in about 2/3 of all local markets. The third quarter of 2012 sales are one way to gauge the market's overall health. Another is to look at the supply side, at our inventory of listings. At the end of September, new listings were down 11.9% over the previous year, and inventory was down 8.7%. This chart shows how our listings have been trending over the past decade. Now let's look at how sales compare to listings year by year over the last decade, ending in 2011. The ratio of sales to listings stood at 47% for detached homes in September 2012 and at 42% for condos. This tells us, as far as supply and demand go, our market is balanced. We also use average sale price to take the temperature of our local real estate market. Just like in life, slow and steady wins the race. A jump in average house price can get people all excited, but realtors prefer to see a moderate trending upward in average price. That means that homes will hold their value going forward. The good news is that's precisely what we've seen in our market over the past decade. At the end of the third quarter of 2012, the average price of a home in LSTAR's jurisdiction stood at $238,808. Compared to December 2011, that was up over 2.8%. The London Census metropolitan area, which includes St. Thomas, Strathroy, and most of Elgin and Middlesex counties, continues very affordable when compared to other centres. Here we have the Canadian Real Estate Association's latest major market survey, published in August 2012. Compare the average price for a home in Canada at the end of August 2012, $357,366, to the average price in London and St. Thomas, $238,808. That's a difference of over $100,000, making London and surrounding area a very affordable place to live. In mid-September, the Canadian Real Estate Association updated its housing forecast for this year, lowering it for this year and 2013. However, though revised downwards, national sales both this year and the next are forecast to remain roughly on par with the 10-year average, and that is what we anticipate for our local market as well, and that's good news. For more information on real estate in London and the surrounding area, please check out our website at www.lstar.ca.